Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm about to do like a restore hair video because I'm gonna title it like restore. I don't know. Because my hair is super dry now. I have so much product on it. And I'm actually gonna be washing my hair in the shower. So you will actually see the washing part, but I definitely will tell y'all the product I use. Before I get in the shower, it's kind of, my hair is kind of wet because I like spray bottled it before I left. But you see like, it's like matted up.
Robbing these pills, they be blow. My chain so tight like a nose. Watch I be flexing on you. Flex pop up. Riding around, we gon'
Some parts it's so dry and some parts it's like short. That's how dry it is. It's nice. It's a frizzy mess. And like, but that's alright, because I'm going to show y'all the transformation. Now I am not naked. This is one of them like body things that y'all should definitely go invest in. It's like a, I don't know, it's like a towel. It's a towel, you know, with a Velcro strap. It's just like, line. Okay, I guess let's get back. I'm out the shower and now my hair is, it dries up so fast. It's just, but you know, it's fine. Let me just put on my face stuff real quick because
with them clothes on, that's my rule. I leave you wetter than a pool. I fuck you right there in your shoes. I fuck you right there, girl, don't move. I lick you right there.
this is some Nourish Organic face serum that I use. I rarely use. I use my Cetaphil moisturizer, but that's a, you literally put like a little and it just be a lot. Like your face will literally be like drenched in that shit. I washed my hair. I use this conditioning shampoo because shampoo really strips your hair. Like it just makes it dry. It strips your hair of like all the nutrients and shit that it needs. So I use this conditioning shampoo with coconut oil. And it's for dry, damaged, and color treated hair. And so I use this. And it works pretty good. I mean, I like it. It smells good. It smells like cocoa butter. And then I use this Tresemme conditioner. It's just, okay. So I'm putting a little bit conditioner in my hair because my hair was really dry. And I'm not doing nothing today. Really, I got work later, but I can have this just sit in my hair. It makes my hair softer. Just put a little though, like you don't want to be, you're not conditioning your hair like to, you know, you're not going to be rinsing it out. Like I'm keeping this in my hair, so you don't even put like a little, I'm literally probably put like 2 squirts on both sides of my hair. And then this part right here is just so dry, but you know. And then I go in with this Garnier avocado hair mask. So it gives you 3 options. So like you can do it as a hair mask or like keep it as a treatment like I'm about to do. It says after shampoo, apply onto wet hair and leave on for a minute and rinse. That's if you're gonna do just the mask, because that's like, you know, what I just said. Then you can do it as a conditioner, like, but if you do it as from a conditioner, if you do it as a conditioner, you need to start from like your roots and go to the end. So like you need to be applying it like that. But I'm not gonna do it as a conditioner because I already put some damn conditioner in my hair. My hair's still kind of dry, but I mean, it's gonna be cute. It get dry. Okay. Regular bitches is boring. I hit up with Judy, and with her I share my foreign. My lifestyle being so regular. Now a nigga is important. Getting money now, etc. Baby, just come in, darling. So it's like chunky, like. And keep it in there, it's chunky, like you can. Let's get off of. Rub it in, get it in, and literally just go in everywhere. Just that's why I like to do this. Watch that bounce back. That bounce back. Watch. Y'all gonna be like, this guy has so much shit on her hair. But do y'all hair look like this? And if you do, send me some tips. Leave your link in the description, bitch. Then, lastly, I'm gonna go in on my favorite thing. This is my Jamaican castor oil, black castor oil. I use this for my edges, but I'm not gonna put them directly on my edges today. I'm gonna just put it on my edges. That's what I'm gonna do. I lied. I almost lied. Get the money, snooze, you lose. I just got rid of my bull. I might just swerve in the cold. I put your girl in my coat. Poppin' the pill, they be blow. My chain so tight like a nose. Watch I be flexing on you. Riding the Rari go wrong. And you see, this right here, y'all. When your hair does this, and it does. Where's another piece of hair? And it does that loose booty curl shit. You see that? That's heat damage. That's from straightening your hair. Look, I got one right here. Oh my God, get my hair straightened for her wedding. I don't know. You feel me? Like, look at that. That's from heat damage. That's from when you straightening your hair. I literally get my hair straightened once a year for my birthday. Now your bitch is suffering. But y'all hoes like, y'all don't give a fuck, y'all don't care. But your hair, if you don't want this ain't cute. You don't want that. You want, what you want? You wanted this. This shit right here, that's what you want. Maybe I should do that. Never done that. I ain't gonna do that. That's it. Okay. And that's really how I just do my everyday. Just biggity bounce. That's it. And it'll get dry and I'll have a picture at the end or something, like a video or later. When my hair gets dry, I'll come check back in. So y'all can see the final result, what it looks like when it's not still damp, because right now this is damp. I'm tired of really touching it on my hands. That's another thing, don't be touching your hair all day. Like, that shit is bad for you too. It's bad for your hair. So